Hey van friends, Josh with Vanlife Outfitters here at Chattanooga Overvanding Expo, and I'm here with Peter from Rover Vans, and he's going to show us some of his new products and some of his van builds.
Start with the bed. So the bed is something we kind of debuted out west this year. I think we got like the best product in Evergreen, Colorado, which was kind of cool. AVC also featured it as one of the best products. Super excited about this one. It's gonna be, well, let me do the demo first, right? So this is open, typically where you have all the electronics. It's obviously gonna be covered up. We just opened it for a show. So imagine a panel being there. But the bed really functions in several ways. So A, it's gonna house all the electronics on one side. On the other side, we have water in here. You can put a water tank in. Or if you don't want to have a water tank in here, you can use it as storage, and you can kind of design it different ways where it's cubbies. You can put doors on here. So lots of storage or electronics, right? And then the key for us, what we wanted to do is we wanted to be able to open this up in case like you want to have a motorcycle or just a nice pass through and still access the upper cabinet. So in here, you can kind of still get to your gear, which is nice. And it could be any upper cabinet. And the bed is out of the way. Second function functions like a desk. I'm gonna get this guy out of the way. So this could be just a work area. You can have your laptop, whatever other kind of setup. Or even if you're prepping food, you can kind of have the extra space. Not, maybe not having a huge kitchen. This way you can kind of put whatever you want, you're working on. So second function, and then third one, you can probably guess, this turns into a bed. So, and I think the coolest part of the bed, I'll demonstrate this way. If you notice, there's no support underneath, so there's no bracing that you need to install every time you set up the bed. There's no leg system. And this is super sturdy. So we achieved this by reinforcing the frame and doing a very heavy duty hinge in the middle. So this was kind of key. This hinge is normally designed for a ramp for a car trailer. So it's super strong and should hold up to whatever kind of activities are going on. So this build, I don't want to say it's simple, but this is kind of like no frills, like just things that you need. And this is my kind of answer, like don't get a minivan, get this instead. It has a pretty big power bank. It's 660 amp hours, all Victron. And then like I mentioned, our water system lives in here. So we've got a water tank built in, water heater, and then we have our shower system, exterior shower system. Moon Kitchen, it's a newer product. We just started bringing this over from Poland, from Vandermoon. You can probably see the front of the drawers match the upper cabinets, the really popular Moon box. So what's super cool about these, this is designed from ground up for a van, and this is a super lightweight system. I think this module is about 35 pounds. So if you think about kitchen cabinet being 35 pounds, it's mega light. It's actually made all aluminum. It's only 1 millimeter thick. And it may seem like it could be flimsy, but once put together, because of the way that it's designed, it's actually pretty sturdy in the van. Don't mind the sink because we haven't installed that yet. So really cool, like you see all the holes. It's made to be lightweight. They actually do these cool inserts so nothing is rattling, and you can organize this with Velcro for whatever you have in here. And then once it's locked in, this is not making any noise. Yeah, and it matches the kind of the upper cabinets in here. These we've talked about quite a bit, but what I love about these cabinets, especially as a builder, we were finishing this van for a show, and it had no upper cabinets, and within probably less than 20 minutes, we have 3 upper cabinets installed. I mean, from timing perspective and cost perspective, if you think how much it costs to build an upper cabinet versus you can buy one that's ready, super high quality. I love this system, and I think it's like probably the best upper cabinet system out there. I think we did a little demo, but zippers, nice storage. We actually have the newer version of these.
Yeah, we'll check those out in a second.
Yeah. What's cool about these, or what's cool about, I guess, us and Vanlife Outfitters is we're gonna start stocking these pretty soon. We're gonna go to, this is our most popular color, and it goes kind of with everything. It goes with your grays, goes with the beige. And the new version, we're gonna stock them, so hopefully they're gonna be available with second day shipping, and you guys can put them in your van right away. So that's a multi-frame seat. It's designed for the flooring system as well, but you can also get a bracket. So if you don't do the whole flooring system, you can still install the seat. Nice seat, pretty comfortable. What I like about it is that when you set it up, you can leave the headrest on, right? Pull this guy forward, we'll go back, and then you have a pretty comfortable 6'4" bed. Wow. So whether you have kiddos in here or if you don't like sleeping next to your partner, there's a pretty quick setup, you know. Mm-hmm. So we'll go back, but
and that took literally 10 seconds.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I like this van. It's a 148 built on a trail. I think it's a great kind of alternative to a minivan. You've got everything you need. You can daily drive it. It's a lightweight van. Feels really good. Satisfies, you know, getting 4 passengers in. You can keep your bikes, keep your whatever kind of equipment in here. Yeah, so that's our van.